Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Studying abroad is an incredible opportunity to expand your horizons, explore new cultures, and gain a unique educational experience. In this video, we will explore the best places to study abroad based on factors such as academic excellence, culture richness, and affordability. Place number 1, Australia. Australia is a popular destination for international students due to its high quality education system, multicultural society, and relaxed lifestyle. International students can also benefit from the country's strong economy and job market, which often offer post study work opportunities. Additionally, Australia has a reputation for innovation, particularly in fields such as technology and science. However, studying in Australia can be expensive. Additionally, the visa application process can be lengthy and complicated, and international students may face challenges adjusting to a new culture and way of life. The average living cost in Australia is around 1200 to 1800 US dollars per month. You can see the list of 5 top universities in Australia with the fee structure per year. Place number 2, Canada. On the positive side, Canadian universities offer high quality education, a diverse cultural experience, and a welcoming environment for international students. Additionally, studying in Canada can lead to post-graduation work opportunities and even permanent residency options. On the downside, studying in Canada can be expensive with high tuition fees and living costs. The visa process can also be lengthy and complex, making it difficult for some international students to obtain a visa to study in Canada. The average living cost of Canada is around $800 to $1,200 per month. You can see on your screen the top 5 universities with the fee structure per year. Place number 3, Germany. For Germany, on the positive side, German universities offer high quality education, excellent research opportunities, and low or sometimes no tuition fees. Additionally, German universities are highly regarded globally, and studying in Germany can lead to post-graduation work opportunities. On the downside, the visa process can be complicated and living costs can be high, particularly in cities like Berlin. Additionally, courses are often taught in German, so international students may need to learn German to study effectively. The living cost in Germany is around $850 to $1,200 per month. You can see the list of 5 top universities in Germany. Place number 4, Switzerland. On the positive side of Switzerland, Swiss universities offer high quality education, excellent research opportunities, and a multicultural environment. Additionally, Switzerland is a safe and stable country with a high standard of living and beautiful natural scenery. On the other hand, the studying in Switzerland can be expensive with high tuition fees and living costs. Additionally, the visa process can be complicated, and international students may need to learn one of Switzerland's national language, such as German, French, or Italian, to study effectively. The living cost in Switzerland is around $1,500 to $2,000 US dollars per month. The list of top 5 universities here on the screen with the fee structure. Place number 5, United States of America. American universities offer a wide range of courses and opportunities for international students to specialize in their field of study, renowned for its high quality education with top ranked universities in the world. On the downside, studying in the USA can be expensive with high tuition fees and living costs. The visa process can also be complex and time consuming, making it difficult for some international students to obtain a visa to study in the USA. The average cost of living is USA dollar from $1,000 to $1,500 per month. You can see the 5 top universities here on the screen with fee structure. Place number 6, UK. So if we talk about the positive side of UK universities, they offer high quality education, excellent research opportunities, and a diverse cultural experience. Additionally, UK degrees are highly regarded globally, and studying in the UK can lead to post-graduation work opportunities. On the downside, studying in the UK can be expensive with high tuition fees and living costs, particularly in cities like London. The visa process can be complex and may require proof of sufficient funds to support oneself while studying in the UK. The living cost in UK is from $1,200 to $1,800 per month. You can see the top 5 universities with fee structure on your screen. Place number 7, New Zealand. First, talk about the positive sides of the New Zealand. New Zealand universities offer high quality education, a welcoming and friendly culture, and opportunities to explore the country's natural beauty. Additionally, New Zealand has a strong economy with post-graduation work opportunities available for international students. On the downside, studying in New Zealand can be expensive with high tuition fees and living cost. The visa process can also be complicated, requiring proof of sufficient funds to support oneself while studying in the country. New Zealand is far from many other countries, which can make travel and communication challenging. For average living cost in New Zealand is around US dollar 1000 to US dollar 1500 per month. You can see the top 5 universities in New Zealand along with fee structure on your screen. Place number 8, Netherlands. So let's talk about the positive side first. Dutch university offer high quality education, a multicultural environment, and opportunity to learn Dutch, which is valuable skill in the job market. Additionally, the Netherlands has a high standard of living with excellent health care and social services. On the downside, studying in the Netherlands can be expensive with high tuition fees and living costs, particularly in cities like Amsterdam and Rotterdam. The visa process can also be complex, and international students may need to show proof of sufficient funds to support themselves while studying in the country. Additionally, courses are often taught in Dutch, so international students may need to learn the language to study effectively. The cost in Netherlands is around US dollar 1000 to 1400 per month. You can see the 5 top universities on your screen. Place number 9, France. So first we talk about the positive side of France. French universities offer high quality education, a rich cultural experience, and opportunity to learn French, which is valuable skill in the job market. Additionally, France has a long history of academic excellence and a strong research culture. On the downside, studying in France can also be expensive with high tuition fees and living cost, particularly in cities like Paris. The visa process can also be complicated, requiring proof of sufficient funds to support oneself while studying in the country. The bureaucracy and administrative process can also be challenging for non-French speakers. The average living cost is $1,000 to $1,500 per month. You can see on the screen the top 5 universities of France with fee structure. Finally, place number 10, South Korea. Let's talk about the positive side first. South Korean universities offer high quality education, a rich cultural experience, and the opportunity to learn Korean, which is valuable skill in the job market. Additionally, South Korea has a strong economy with post-graduation work opportunities available for international students. The country is also known for its advanced technology and innovation. On the downside, studying in South Korea can be expensive with high tuition fees and living costs, particularly in major cities. The visa process can also be complicated, requiring proof of sufficient funds to support oneself while studying in this country. Additionally, the language barrier can be challenging for non-Korean speakers. The average living cost in South Korea is around $700 to US $1,300 per month. You can see the top 5 universities of South Korea along with fee structure. I need to say this in conclusion that studying abroad can be an incredibly rewarding experience, offering the opportunity to gain a valuable education, making lifelong connections, and develop a deeper understanding of different cultures. Ultimately, the decision to study abroad should be based on personal goals, financial considerations, and cultural fit. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.